Mike Peck set up because he is the winner of the March Meet in Nitro Funny Car. Nitro Funny Car has played host to many great storylines in this 68th Good Vibrations Motorsports March Meet. He almost lost the trophy there. He's got a full grip on it now, though. Perfect. The winner in Nitro Funny Car, Mike Peck, here at Famoso Dragstrip. And we're going to get Mike in here right now. Mike Peck, you have instigated your way all the way to a March Meet win.
Incredible. It's freaking incredible. I just can't thank my crew enough, my wife. We worked our tails off just to get here, and the cars worked perfectly. So no complaints. I'm just, you don't believe how happy I am right now. It's just to win the March Meet, nothing better.
This is still a big one, and it means something, doesn't it, Mike?
Sure means a lot to me. You know, I worked so hard to get this car where it's at. We don't have a lot of sponsors, a lot of crew, but we're making it happen.
Mike Peck, the winner in Funny Car here at the March Meet.